Hello, I'm Stephen Watson. Welcome to today's Tàijíquán Tip. This is Danny. Hi, Danny. We're here in Ithaca, New York with today's Tàijíquán Tip. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is where it's safe, where it's appropriate, where you know you can do it well. See if you know a dog who might like to play a little bit of push hands with you. And I guess we'll move over where we're in the camera a bit more. Thank you. Oh, that's a nice one. And so the practice here is if I was to release, do I go flying back? Thank you very much. That was very, very nice of you. Do I go flying back? If she is to succeed and my grip goes, do I go flying forward? In other words, am I maintaining my own balance? I don't want to put more to the rear because I feel more from the front. So that if the grip is lost, like when she resets her grip here, if I can get her to reset her grip a little, then do I wobble backwards? Or am I practicing this just by sort of pulling with the arm? Or am I practicing using the body? Here she's encouraging me to change my stance, but she's going around the flank. So I want to feel like there she just changed her grip, but I didn't go flying back. And can I be doing this with my whole body, my breath, not simply moving my arm around and tiring my arm? Good job, Dan. Look how strong you are. Look how strong you are. Look how strong. Good job. You got it? Good job. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Oh my goodness, you're so strong. Good job. Thank you. So when you have an opportunity like that, like Danny gives you, to have a good practice partner or teacher, take it up. Thank you.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán tip. Tips really go a long way. And if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.